Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be setting up the Aerogarden 7 hydroponic system. This version is an older version and there are over 25 different systems available, some with even full spectrum lights. So if you do purchase one, choose wisely and do your research. Aerogarden is an international company and it's quoted on the OTCBB in the US. So once you've got the stand together, you're ready to add the main base unit. And that really does simply slot just like that. And the only notable feature is a fill to here line for when you do add the water. Before we add the grow deck, I just wanted to point out one important feature of the Aerogarden system, which is the air stone that's built into the system. Now this actually oxygenates the water, which is a vital component in hydroponics. So I'll slot this in, and I've already filled it with water to the line. There's only two cables to attach. I've got a plug and I've got a UK adapter for it, and then there's one cable for the lights which simply goes straight in like so. If you do ever need a replacement light, they're fairly straightforward, and I got two for £20 and they just literally just slot in as easy as that. The top slides in and you can just simply lower it down to the desired level, and we'll start obviously at the lowest level, which is all the way down. There's a vast array of seed pod kits available. I've chosen the heirloom salad greens. Inside the kit we have some concise instructions, we have some plant nutrients, we have some pre-populated seed pods. Now the interesting thing about these is they've actually got lids on which help prevent algae growth, so there's a real lesson learned here, and I'd like to take their R&D, thank you. And then we've got some seed covers that stay on for the first 3 to 4 days until the plant has germinated. So it recommends 1 capful at the start, so we'll pop that in there, give it a mix up off camera, and then we add the seed pods. Like so, and then we'll put on the covers just like that. So it's all up and running. I'm just going to plug it in now, and the light's got an automated timer, so you don't even have to worry, it will just come on and off as per its schedule. So I'll try and do an update in 5 to 6 weeks, so hit the subscribe and I'll just go over the control panel. Bye for now. That's it actually up and running, and you can see the water filtering through the modules. The control panel is quite straightforward. Got on off for the lights, and then you select whatever type of thing you're growing, and we're going to be growing salad greens, set straight onto that. There's a reset button as well for the nutrients, but we've added them, so I'm quite happy with that.